What's the deal, YouTube? It's your boy Big Rick J coming at you. I'm headed, well, I just got in the truck, so I'm heading out right now. I'm about to sag down this 710 to the port. Yeah, I'm working at LA Long Beach ports, doing my thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm on the move right now. See, these the kind of people that get ran over. These four-wheelers, bro, who think life is a joke, just cut in front of you, homie. It's ridiculous. Yeah, I'm hopping on right now, swagging. As you can, well, I'll show you a little bit later. Gotta give me a little mount, so I ain't gotta hold this shit. But yeah, I'm about to go down here to Evergreen, Bird 233. Pick my first load of the day up. It's like 7:15 right now. Usually up by like 5:45. Get showered, get right. You know what I'm saying? You know, kiss the wife, kiss the daughter, and I'm out the door, yo. I mean, gotta get these coins out here, homie.